Hey guys, welcome back to Ashes Multimedia. This is Abhiram Paul, and today we're going to be talking about dividing regions into equal parts. Objective: understanding how to decide whether the regions are equal parts and how to name them. So today we're just going to be talking about shapes, and we're going to break these up into different kind of shapes, and all we're going to do is just talk about whether they're even or not. Like, let's say this is even, so, and then we're going to name them. I'm going to teach you how we can name them and tell if they're even or not. Let's get started. Now let's try to get used to it so we can start. So for our first problem here. So we can already tell this is not even because we have one big box right here and then we have one small boxes. So what I'm going to name this is not equal. Okay? But if it was equal, then this would be 1, 2, 3 fourths. If we wanted to name it, it would be fourths, like this. Fourths. Okay, so since it's not even and we don't really have to name it, then we don't have to put it. So then all we can put is not equal. Now I can already tell this is equal. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be equal, and fourths. Okay, now let's do some problem time. Before we start with the problem time, I want to teach you guys something. In fractions, you want to name it as the letter fourths instead of putting the number. How I named it right here, instead of putting number like this. I know that's wrong, but I'm just telling you the example. So you don't want to put it like this when you're dealing with fractions. With anything else you can, but when you're dealing with fractions, you want to always make sure that you're doing the letter form instead of doing it like this. Because first, reason why is your teachers can give it wrong. Second, teachers might get confused, and we don't want them to get confused when we get a bad grade, right? So you want to make sure that you always keep it in a letter form as fourths. And it's also good how you say it, like fourths, instead of saying fourth. You should not say fourth, it's fourths. Because when you're dealing with fractions, let's say you had 2 fourths. So the bottom number, you always want to make sure you say fourths, because if you don't, then it's going to become a different problem, because fractions is the same thing as division, and it might become like a different division problem if you say it like that. So the way you say your fractions matters, because you can either do a different problem while you're saying it, and your teacher might give it wrong, or that you might get it wrong for saying the wrong ways. Not saying 2 fourths, it's 2 fourths. Or yeah, when you're dealing with 2 fourths. Now let's get back to problem time. I can already tell this is even, so I'm going to put equal, and then I'm going to put 2. So this is going to be halves. And the reason why I did not put 2's because you cannot say toots. Toots, it's not a real fraction. When you have it in a half, like it's cut between half, you can put halves, equal halves. You can also do that. You don't need to put you don't want to put toots. Okay? So just remember that, keep that in mind, that saying that if it's equal, if it's like only 2 parts, then you can also put halves. Okay, time for our next one. Number 2. So this is unequal, so I'll put not equal. And we don't have to name the not equal ones, so we only have to name the equal ones. Now time for our next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's equal, so I'm going to put equal. Makes it is, and then it's cut up into fourths, so Now time for number 4. So then we can already tell this is not equal because we have 1, 2 small pieces here, and we have a big piece, and then we only have 1 piece here, so but not equal. And then for number 6, this is equal, so I'm going to put equal, equal, and I'm going to name it as halves. Okay, now I want you guys to pause the video, try these out by yourself. So I've started to pause the video, so let's see what the answer is. I hope you have an answer. So we can already tell these are not equal, so this would be not equal. For those people that put not equal on this, did it right. And let's go to our next one. This is also not equal, so not equal. For those people that did put not equal, you guys got it correct. If this video was helpful, please like, share to your 3rd grade friends, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abhiram Palam. Comment down below how we can make our videos better. And if you want to do anything like this, and you have technical issues, comment down below. We will help you. Share this video to your 3rd grade friends, and look out for the 4th grade playlist that's coming out soon too. All the 4th grade videos are out, so look out for those too. And thanks so much for watching. My name is Abhiram Palam. Have a great day. Bye bye.